out the digestive system. Okay, the digestive system of man. Okay, the digestive system of man. Now, what do you think from our figure 1 is? Esophagus. What is the other name for esophagus? Huh? Gullet. Okay. What about on figure 5? Huh? What is the function of the gallbladder? It doesn't secrete nothing. The gallbladder, what is the function of the gallbladder? You are close. You are close. You are close. What did you say it does? It's what? It's storage actually. Okay, temporary site for storage of bile, and of course we have this like should we say pipe carries it. Or this is not how to write 19 back. How are they writing 19? This is 20 back. Huh? This is 20 minus 9. 20 minus 9 is what? Huh? 19 back.
19 is
This is 29. Why am I confused? 19 is what? X, I, X. Yes. X, I. Now, this part, as you rightly said, is the gallbladder. This is what? Stomach. Yeah, stomach. What is this leaf-like structure? Pancreas. What is the function of the pancreas? What is the function of? What is that hormone that helps diabetic patients? What is that hormone that helps diabetic patients? You know diabetic patients, right? What do they lack? Insulin. Yes, insulin. So this is what secretes insulin. The insulin is produced it is produced by the beta cells, and that compartment that produces is called islet of Langerhans. So that's where the secretion takes place. But what produces it is called the beta cells. There are two cells. We have insulin and glucagon. Insulin, glucagon. These two hormones are what we call the antagonistic. When we say antagonistic, it means they are opposite each other. The opposite of closing the door is opening it, right? So, insulin, what insulin does is that this glucagon, it causes sugar, okay? It causes sugar to increase in your body. While the insulin, it causes sugar to be floating from your body. So these two insulin are antagonistic in nature. Immediately you eat food, this glucagon will cause the accumulation of sugar in your body, while this insulin will run and come and flush it off. Okay? The reason, if you ask ignorant, or let me say layman people, what's the cause of diabetes, they'll tell you sugar. And this is a fallacy. It's not sugar. Your body, by default, is built to accommodate sugar. It's only when you have problem with your beta cells or your tissue cannot, there's no signal, your tissue cannot your tissue cannot carry sugar from the body or cannot signal the presence of sugar. So the insulin there is to flush out the sugar, while the glucagon is to make the sugar accumulate. So they are like mutually exclusive. They cannot be together. They are kind of antagonistic to each other. So as I told you before, with that example, I told you someone is opening the tap, the bucket is filled with water and is spilling off. Then someone is pouring the water away. The insulin is there to pour the water away, and the glucagon is just there to open the tap for the water to fill the bucket. And when the insulin is not there, you see the bucket will fill and overflow. This is what causes diabetes. Accumulation of the sugar because the insulin is not there to flush it to the targeted cell where they are needed as in form of ATP to serve as energy for the body. So the pancreas is what secretes this insulin, and where it produces is called the islet of Langerhans, and the cell that produces it is called the beta cell. The beta cell is for insulin, while the alpha cell is for glucagon. The alpha cell produces the glucagon, while the beta cell produces the insulin. So let's proceed. Number 6 is what? Roman figure 6 is what? What's Roman figure 6? Liver. 7. The first part of the guts, the first part of the intestine is called the duodenum. So this part is called the duodenum. I know you may not remember, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Now this part that looks like is like this, the zigzag, is called the pyloric sphincter. Pyloric sphincter. What it does is that when you eat food, the food like is stored in your stomach, it will stop for some time, then this pyloric sphincter will start opening gradually so that the food will start passing. It will release some of the food to go through the intestine where digestion will take place. Then it will close for some time. For those want to digest, then it will open again for others to follow. So it works as a form of muscular contraction. That is why it's good when you eat food, you don't just go and relax. You try to, just as I explained to you the other time, how avians, birds, digest their food. Do you still remember? They eat grains, despite the fact that they don't have teeth. How do they masticate or how do they grind that maize? Do you still remember? How? Asmao, and Fatima, sorry. Do you still remember? No, you are forgetting. Coming. How birds, they don't have teeth, but you see they eat hard grains, maize, dried one, not even fresh one. They don't even like fresh one. They need dried one that have concentrated amount of carbohydrates to serve as energy for them because of their flight. Now, how do they break that maize? Something I drew it on the board, didn't I? I drew it on the board, didn't I? Do you still remember now? Do you still remember? We're still talking about digestion. This one is that of mine. This is for birds. Now, this is the masara, dry maize. Now, the bird eats the dry maize. This place is called what? Crop. Thank you. Crop. This temporary storage of the maize. If you dissect birds, you will see something here like maize they eat. Now, it drops and comes to this place they call what? What is this place? You have small pebbles in a potch. In a small potch like this, is like kola nut. When you open it, you see sands. Grit. They call it grits. Thank you. Gizzard. You come here. I drew this thing on the board. You should not be forgetting things like this. So, when it eats, we have diverted from here. Now, let me just bring you back. Okay? When this bird, they are very sensitive. When they are eating maize from the ground, they are also eating small stones and sand. It's not by mistake. They know what they are doing. It is implanted in their DNA to do that. So they eat these small stones, small sands, together with the maize, and they come and store it here. The temperature of living thing, is it warm or cold? It's warm, right? Then the warmness of the body of the animal will try to reduce the dryness of the maize. The temporary storage here will make the maize a little bit cooked because of the warmth.